Is it time to buy or sell Western Alliance Bancorporation stock? In this video, we will explore Western Alliance Bancorporation in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 16th of October, 2025, and now we aim to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You certainly do not want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 29th of September, 2025, our system has ranked Western Alliance Bancorporation as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 4.35. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock experienced a loss of 19.27%. This translates to an average loss of 1.38% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock has broken the wide and weak rising short-term trend downward. This indicates a slower rate of increase, but it may also serve as an early warning of a potential trend shift. With the trend broken, there will now be resistance at the bottom line of the trend at $75.21. A reaction back to this level may provide a second opportunity to exit before further declines. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 5% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 12% and 39%. Considering the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 6.43%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 23.24% to positive 21.7% over the coming year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $53.98 and $85.14. Our latest daily update for Western Alliance Bancorporation includes the headline: Western Alliance Bancorporation stock price fell more than 10.81% Thursday, closing at $70.32. The Western Alliance Bancorporation stock price decreased by 10.81% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 16th of October, 2025, dropping from $78.84 to $70.32. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 9.05%, ranging from a low of $68.61 to a high of $74.82. The price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 17.74% during this period. Notably, trading volume increased on the last day by 6 million shares, but this occurred alongside falling prices. This could be an early warning sign, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 7 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $519,030,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $98.10, while the lowest was $57.05. Currently, the price is 28.32%, or $27.78, below the 52-week high, and 43.71%, or $54.61, below the all-time high reached on the 12th of January, 2022, when the price peaked at $124.93. Western Alliance is facing renewed pressure today as a widespread sell-off in regional banks, coupled with fresh concerns regarding credit fraud, drives share prices downward. Market commentary highlights rising loan losses and increased scrutiny of lending practices following revelations of problematic credits by Western Alliance and its peers. Additionally, reports indicate that connections between certain banks and individuals accused of fraud have amplified investor anxiety. Compounding these issues, a securities class action inquiry into potential misleading disclosures introduces legal risks and may contribute to further volatility in the headlines in the near future. However, there are some counterbalancing factors. Analysts believe that exposure to one struggling borrower is unlikely to lead to significant financial losses. There is also a sense of optimism surrounding elevated earnings estimates, along with the bank's new Private Client Group initiative, which aims to cultivate relationships with high net worth individuals that yield higher profit margins. In the short term, anticipate ongoing fluctuations in share prices, wider trading ranges, and potential declines if credit-related news persists or if legal matters escalate. Looking further ahead, resolving uncertainties surrounding loan losses, maintaining consistent earnings, and successfully expanding the fee-based private client business could help restore investor confidence and foster a recovery in the stock's valuation. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 10th of October, 2025, it was reported that RBC Capital assigned WAL an outperform rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 8th of October, 2025, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned WAL an underweight rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 8th of October, 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned WAL an overweight rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 29th of September, 2025, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned WAL an underweight rating with a downgrade action. On Wednesday, the 24th of September, 2025, it was reported that Cowen & Co. assigned WAL a buy rating with an initialize action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Western Alliance Bancorporation stock. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as neutral and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Western Alliance Bancorporation. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The stock for Western Alliance Bancorporation holds sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, leading to a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be some resistance from the levels at $78.13 and $86.53. A breakout above either of these levels will generate buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, the 14th of October, 2025, and so far, the stock has declined by 14.36%. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume increased on falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 3 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy from 4 days ago. The short-term moving average also indicates a buy from 4 days ago. Conversely, the long-term moving average suggests a sell from 15 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 12 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the following. The short moving average provided a sell signal 18 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy 74 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Western Alliance Bancorporation. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and under the right conditions, the stock may experience significant declines in the coming days. This stock typically exhibits moderate daily movements alongside a healthy trading volume, suggesting a medium risk profile. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $6.21 between its high and low, representing a change of 9.05%. For the previous week, the stock displayed an average daily volatility of 6.53%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Western Alliance Bancorporation, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate low expectations for the company's future or suggest that the stock is undervalued, presenting a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 21st of October, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $2.11. It is important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Western Alliance Bancorporation. In the event of an upward trend, The first resistance level for Western Alliance Bancorporation is at $79.53. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which indicates that the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider placing bets only if you are an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for Western Alliance Bancorporation from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Booth Timothy W., who bought and sold 401 shares, or options, in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 28.646. Overall, insiders purchased 5,557 shares and sold 10,427 shares in the last 100 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Western Alliance Bancorporation stock a good buy? The stock of Western Alliance Bancorporation presents several negative indicators. Despite a recent positive trend, we anticipate that the performance of Western Alliance Bancorporation will be weak in the coming days or weeks. As a result, our assessment of this stock is unfavorable. After analyzing the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our system suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 17th of October, we expect Western Alliance Bancorporation to open higher by 93 cents, starting at a price of $71.25. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.